In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive offline, fast and easy. Whether you're looking to work on your files without an internet connection, or simply want to ensure your documents are available anywhere and anytime, this tutorial is perfect for you. To begin with, you'll need to click on Google Drive and sign in using your Google account credentials. If you're not already signed in, just head over to the main page of Google Drive. A quick tip here. If you're accessing this for the first time or on a public device, make sure to securely log out after use to protect your privacy. Once you're in Google Drive, your next step is to look for the gear icon that represents settings. You'll find it in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it to access the settings menu. This menu is important as it houses various Google Drive preferences that can significantly enhance your user experience. From storage preferences to notification settings, this section is crucial for optimizing how you interact with your files. Within the settings menu, you'll want to find the option that allows you to enable offline mode. Simply check the box that says offline to activate this feature. This functionality is essential because once activated, it lets you access and make changes to your files even when you're not connected to the internet. Remember, this process might take a few moments, especially if it's your first time enabling offline mode. Now that offline mode is set up, it's important to verify that everything is functioning as expected. Head back to your Google Drive and select any document you wish to test. It's a good practice to perform an offline preview check just to be sure you're all set. Open any of the files while disconnected from the internet to see how the offline mode performs. Next, for individual files that you want to ensure are available offline, you will need to specifically make them accessible. Right-click on a file within your Google Drive. This action will make a context menu appear, offering various options. Here, look for Available Offline and toggle it on. This is an efficient way to handle files you frequently need or those that are particularly important for your ongoing projects. Once a file is set to be available offline, you'll notice a check mark appearing beside it. This check mark is a visual confirmation that your file is synced and ready for offline access. It's essential to look out for this mark, as it signifies that your file is safely stored on your device. And there you have it. Quick and easy methods for setting up offline access on Google Drive. By following these steps, you ensure continued productivity regardless of your internet situation. Thanks for watching,